Let me begin by reiterating the commitment that Joe has stated. I and my team, and the team that I lead, are committed to working hard for our customers and improving the performance of our reliability. What I wanted to do now is provide you with a brief update of the status of our 6-point reliability enhancement plan, which we had announced previously. This plan demonstrates that we are committed to making improvements across the region. Execution of this plan will result in a marked improvement in reliability. We expect that upon completion of the plan, we will meet our customers' expectations. As I mentioned, the plan has 6 points to it. Just wanted to briefly go over them and give you an update on each of those. Start by talking about tree trimming. Trees are the single largest cause of storm-related outages throughout our region. Pepco's data may differ from others with regard to the density of the tree canopy, but the fundamental fact is unassailable. During storms, trees are the primary causes of outages. We're currently working 6 days a week, 10 hours a day on trimming trees along our rights-of-way. Trees on private property remain a concern where we don't have access to them. Since September, we have trimmed trees along 1,000 miles of our power lines, bringing the total year-to-date to 1,650 miles that we've trimmed. We're also working on feeders, specific feeders, where we need to enhance the reliability on those feeders. By year's end, we'll have fully completed 15 of the 21 scheduled projects, and we'll have increased both our internal and external resources, both on engineering and also on the construction side, to continue this ramped-up progress. We've also had a long-standing program to replace underground cable in residential developments. Most of this cable was installed during the 1970s. The program we have in place replaces or renews the cable to prevent future failures and increases the reliability of the distribution system. Since September, we've completed work on 83,000 feet, it's about 16 miles, of the 94,000 feet of cable in the plan. Each year, we also evaluate the need to add or upgrade feeders in order to meet the needs of new customers that come online or increase usage of existing customers. This program is part of a long-established system planning process designed to continue the availability of safe and reliable power for all of our customers. All of the load-related projects that we'd identified as part of the plan were completed by November of this year. We're also deploying elements of the smart grid to help us improve our performance. Distribution automation is one part of that. That involves installing advanced control systems on the distribution system that allows the electric system to restore customers automatically. Pepco was awarded a $15 million Department of Energy Smart Grid Investment Grant to help fund the deployment of that technology. We have completed the installation of the equipment to date on 12 feeders, and then we'll be activating the equipment on those feeders in the first quarter of 2011. In some areas where traditional modifications to the overhead systems have not produced the desired results, we're evaluating where to start selectively replacing some portions of our overhead system with an underground system. In addition, we've taken measures already to harden the high voltage supplies lines to our substations. And hardening simply means improving the reliability of those feeders and doing the work necessary to do that. We've already completed hardening 3 substation supply lines. By increasing the reliability of the supply lines, we increase the reliability of the substation. Each substation serves somewhere between 12 and 15 different individual distribution feeders. This plan involves a lot of work. It's very labor intensive. The plan's not going to be completed overnight. It's a 5-year plan. We are in this and committed to this over the long haul. We expect, though, to see results along the way as work is completed. We're doing everything we need to do to fully execute, fully implement this plan. I want to turn it over to Tom, but before I do, I wanted to make one comment about the people who do the work that I've been talking about day in, day out. These people have been working very hard. I'm very proud of the work that they've been doing.